Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Brian again here with you. I got just yet another unboxing here. Got a few things coming in from some friends of mine. We're going to go quickly into this one. This one here is from Mr. Joel Abernathy. He is the man behind Leather Creations. Look him up on Facebook. Got a business page and a group, makes some awesome handmade leather goods. But we did a trade a little while back, and he couldn't find the pouch for the little splint that we traded. So he finally found that and got it sent over to me. So now I've got my pouch and the coin that goes with my orange splint. On the knife for today is the Ozark Gator. Absolutely beast of a knife. Now this here, I can't remember exactly what is in this, but it was a giveaway or a contest. Well, it wasn't really a contest. It was more a giveaway than a contest, but from our friends at Ozark Edgy. So they did a thing where you had a 5-day kind of challenge where you did different posts every day, and if you posted every day, you got put in for the drawing. And so I was lucky enough to get chosen. I don't know what all is in here. I can't remember what all's in here, but I know it's some awesomeness. So figured I would open it up and share with everybody. So let's just kind of take a look here. So first things first, we got some Ozark Edgy swag. Some outdoorsy stickers. A Ozark Edgy patch, which is really cool. And then a sticker and a coaster. That's really cool. So those will come in handy. And I've got some paracord. I'm looking to see. It looks like this is standard paracord. Never have enough of this stuff. Just a little hank of paracord there, and then hank of jute twine. So the kit that I won was the fire starting kit, or fire making kit. So of course jute twine makes some amazing tinder. Let's see. Oh yeah, got a really nice. Let's see, that is a Solo stove, and excuse the dog in the background. She apparently wants some attention. A nice little Solo stove, ferro rod, and striker. This will really come in handy. This beats the pants off of the set that I have already. Blackbeard fire starters. These are awesome. And the way they are here, the way they are now, they're basically waterproof. Whenever you're ready to use them, you just shave off a little bit off the edge, and that takes the spark really well. So those are cool. This should be the knife. Can't remember what knife was in there, but it is a Civivi. So we'll take a look at that here in just a second. I'm going to go to the pouch here. So really nice. Oh, okay. This is like a bottle holder almost. I'm guessing that's what it's made for. Either that, or it can just be like a normal, just a drawstring top load pouch. But it looks like it would be a pretty cool little bottle holder. It's got some ollie straps on it, and then it's got a little D-ring there. That's a really cool little pouch. Let's see. There's a tag on it. It probably tells me what it is. Gives you the best outdoor experience. Pretty cool. Alright, and now we'll take a look at the blade. Looks like we've got the Aguila. Oh, it's got a VG10, black stonewash and satin flat, so it's going to be like a two-tone blade. Always down for a nice Civivi. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. Of course, you got the typical Civivi stuff in here. Oh man, this is nice. Let me get all this stuff out of the way so it doesn't try to focus on anything else. It's got like a kind of a anodized, I don't know, just some sort of a coated, almost like a brass liner. Coyote Tan G10. Really nice flipper action on it, and it does have the two-tone blade. Almost drop shut. Let's see if it'll, see if I can reverse flick it. And nope, can't quite reverse flick it. Detent's just a little too strong for me to be able to do that. Not a bad little blade. Easy to thumb roll. Nice large lanyard loop, which I usually don't run lanyards, but yeah, awesome little prize pack there from everybody at Ozark Edgy. So to everybody there, I want to thank you guys, and hope everybody out there is having a great day, and we'll have some more videos up for you soon. All right, take care.